pare.
Sip. Sip.
Ay ba yan? Recording. Oo nga, recording na. Passer.
Passer.
Buti na lang, sinundan ni Richard. Kung hindi ako maniniwala sa Bob.
Tugot-tugot po nung kauli. Tugot-tugot. Kaya ginawa niya. Passer. Tugot-tugot.
Buti na lang, nagsabi ka ng bater. Kasi si Bob nagsabi, no? Diba, hindi ko mapakinggan niya. Nagsabi ka, di ba, bater ako. Our main game, punta na natin. Tapos for starting.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the main game here at the Cuneta Astrodome. Live on Solar Sports, Dance Sports, and YouTube channel. It's Yankee versus your Pasay Voyagers. This is the day of Manny Pacquiao's MPBL ang Liga ng Bawat Pilipino. Let's bring the starters for Imus Yankee. And forward number 1, Joish Gracia. Also number 9, Ralph Robin. Forward number 17, Jetros Sombero. Place number 61, David Berenson. And guard number 23, your very own from Barangay 124, Harold Longtong. The coaches is Mike Nomo, the assistants are Mike Marquez, Abel Barayan, and Mao Benabel, team manager, Yanni Magpantay.
And now, for your Pasay Voyagers!
Playing center number 17, Gama Evangelista. And guard number 2, Mark Parks. Small forward number 3, King Corteza. Point guard number 13, Steve Nash Enriquez. And our forward number 23, your very own from Barangay Malibay, Pasay City, Brian Hilario. The head coach is one of the key to the marketing, assistant coaches, Mrs. Leonardo Santos, Adrian Juan, and Kat Tenorio. Coaching assistant of marketing team owners, Raul Pasas, Miguel Gabinas, David Castro, and Ian Calixto Rubiano. Manny Pacquiao's MPBL, ito ang Liga ng Bawat Pilipino!